Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to top up account on Melbet. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Melbet app. Make sure you are logged into it. Now over here in the bottom right, we can see this menu icon. So let's tap on that and click on this settings icon on the top right. Now we can see top up account option over here. Simply tap on that. And we need to choose any of this payment methods, so let's go for sale pay for now. Now over here we need to enter our amount and we need to enter our account number and the name of the account holder, and we need to upload the file of the payment. And once you are done all of this, we need to enter our transaction ID, which is of 7 digits. Once you are done with all of this information here, simply click on confirm, after which your top up will be confirmed and completed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.